Hey guys, I want to show you something real quick. I'm just sitting here making some two-tone wax melts, and I just wanted to give you a little tip that I found out works great for getting that second tone on there really well. This one I messed up just a little bit because I tried applying the pen. This is what I use, metallic gold marker, U-Mark. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and if I can find it, I'll link it in the description. But you can find them on Hobby Lobby. They don't ever come on sale. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know if you can see, it messed up a little bit between the E and the R because I tried just touching it with the pen. But that's not what you do. You give your pen with the cap on a real good shake. Really shake it good. Then get you a little piece of wax paper. And I'd say just give it once it's coming out good, give it one pump. You'll see that just a little bit of actual liquid paint comes out. Then you want to get a real fine-tipped paintbrush. It can be just any kind of cheap paintbrush. And kind of go sideways with your brush. Apply it sideways. Then you're not so much painting, but you're more brushing. When the brush is loaded right in the beginning, that's when you want to be the most careful. But you're just going ever so lightly. And you could see how much that one tiny little dip, I would say you'd only have to dip it. Well, let's do this whole thing so we'll see for sure. But that's just dipping it in that one tiny little spot, just one time. And we're almost done. But like I say, you can see my brush is going kind of sideways. And I'm just brushing it on. So I'm going to do, whoops, almost dumped out, got some more wax going over there, almost dumped it out. Be careful, guys. Okay. I don't know if you need to shake it every time, but I do, just out of habit. I'm going to give it one more pump. Dip it in again. And this is how I always do it. So, I mean, I don't have suggestions about using other types of marker and paint and all that. There are loads. In this case, I'm going to go over some of the little extra things on there too. Get the C. Stuff dries pretty quickly, so you have to work a little bit quickly. Let's see. Looks like it's going to take a total of about 3 pumps. I think I'm going to have to go back in one more time. Should I put this down even a little bit more? Yeah. Yep, one more. One more pump. Always make sure to put your lid back on tightly because this stuff dries up super duper fast. And then you can be a little more careful as you get toward the end, like that. This isn't something that I would enjoy doing if I was in a hurry. This is something where you're just relaxing in your craft area. Got a little bit of time on your hands. Oof. Really happy with how that one's coming out. Is that it? hard thing for me is always finding a good stopping place. That's in anything that I'm doing. Sometimes I mess up by just not leaving well enough alone. Like, I'm going to call that a wax seal. And I don't have any water handy for my brush, and I should, but I'm going to show this in, like, hopefully a little bit better light. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Anyway, I just hope you found that little tip helpful, and I'll be back with more of these. I don't know. I have a pretty good little haul of them from Temu, and there's one set in particular that in another video I'll just show you the whole complete Christmas set. It came in a really neat little box. But we'll call it good for now. We'll call this a video, guys, and see you again soon. Give you one more quick look. Oh, and also I should add that to this one, I added some glitter, this kind of glitter, which is quite chunky, and some Recollections extra fine glitter. I don't know if it shows up, but anyway, have a great day, guys. See you again soon. Bye-bye.